I'm not breathing properly. There we go. First, I was not prepared for this. Okay, hold on. Hello storytellers, and welcome to another video. This is another Scentbird review, but this is an extra special video because Scentbird has so lovingly and graciously sponsored this video. This is the first, I believe, sponsored video on this channel. I tend to be really picky about sponsors because obviously I'm not going to have someone sponsor me that I don't necessarily agree with or like their product. And I really want to do this because I genuinely enjoy Scentbird. I subscribe to them with my own volition and money. So for those who don't know, Scentbird is a monthly subscription of fragrance. Basically how it works is you subscribe for $14.95 a month. You pick your scent or fragrance or for over a collection of 450 choices. So many choices. And then you get them delivered to you and you get to enjoy them. Now, one thing I don't think I really mentioned in my first review is that they have more than just fragrances. They actually have candles, they have makeup, they have skincare products, and they're starting to unleash their own branded products and not just the brands of others. So, in your first month subscription, you get a lovely little velvet case, has Scentbird on it, and it comes with a travel-friendly, refillable case. And it's so cute and fun to play with. I play with it too much. Let's see if I can get it to focus enough. There we go, see? And you just, whoop, there it is. And it's easy to just pull it out and you push in the new one, whatever fragrance you want. I accidentally sprayed some and now the whole room is gonna smell great. Now, if you're like me, you don't necessarily shop around for perfume or fragrance. I personally would rather spend my money on like a video game or a book, but I do like perfume. They actually have a quiz that you fill out when you first make your profile, and it helps get your recommendations based off of your preferences. You can also search their giant collection of fragrances by brand, mood, occasion, and even the personality of the scent itself. So my last review was on a perfume that I picked on my own, and then the perfume that is supposed to represent the state of New Jersey, which I live in. So this month I want to do something different, and I wanted to test out their TruScent Recommender, which is a quiz that you go online, you fill it out, and it discovers your personality and preferences. So obviously in your package, you're going to get your perfumes. I choose 2 a month. The basic subscription is 1 a month, but it was only like a few extra dollars to do 2, and I like variety. You get your little safety bubbled package, and it comes with information on what they are, which I'm not going to show you just yet. So the first perfume I got was a Cashmere Mist EDT by Donna Karan. This is what it comes like. Ta-da. And its main notes are musk, amber, sandalwood, jasmine. It's a woody, elegant, everyday fall scent. So when I first sprayed it, it smelled a lot like baby powder, and not about that vibe. But after a while, it kind of faded and settled, and it calmed down a bit. It definitely smells like jasmine. It's a very woodsy smell, as they so categorize it. Really enjoyed it, but I don't think necessarily it's something that I would consider wearing every day. I might actually give this one to my mom because this is definitely something she would wear. So the next one is Glossier You. Ta-da. Here it is. Glossier You. I don't know why I did that voice. That was a really bad voice. Its main notes are ambrite. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it. Once more in the style of my channel, I don't know how to pronounce things properly, but we're going to keep going anyway. So ambrite, ambrox, musk, iris root, and pink pepper. And I actually really enjoy this one. So it's actually very similar to last month's Versace Red Crystal perfume that I got, which I loved, and I used all of it up. Like, I want to buy an actual bottle of it. So it's a floral everyday spring scent, which is right up my alley. I love spring. I always like things that are more everyday because I don't really do a lot of things. Like, I don't go out often, so I don't need really fancy things. But I really did enjoy this one, and I'm going to spray it again because I like it. It's fun. I actually prefer more musky scents, so it's really interesting to me that the one that has the most like woodsy musk is the one I don't really like. So I'd say that it's a 50-50 win. Not so much win percentage. There were more options. There's more recommendations. So as you go along with your subscription, you can and should review the perfumes that you get on the website. And through those reviews, not only are you helping other people, but you're also helping them, Scentbird, find better scents for you specifically, so you get better recommendations. So if you want to try out Scentbird, there is going to be a link in the description below to get a free month of perfume, and it also gives me a free month of perfume. Treat yourself, and also me. I am a broke postgraduate human, and I'm doing my best. And a big thank you to Scentbird for reaching out to me and liking my video and wanting me to do more. I do want to do more reviews actually on Scentbird because there's a lot of stuff that I want to try. As always, if you like this video, don't be afraid to hit that thumbs up button, comment below, and hit the subscribe button so that you can become part of the Storyteller Squad. And as always, the link to the Patreon page for the channel is in the description below, where you can get monthly content if you become a patron, and I will write you a story and just love upon all of you lovely storytellers. Thank you for watching, and keep on shining, storytellers.